Welcome to this lesson on adaptation. Adaptation is one of the most fascinating concepts in biology, showing us how living organisms have evolved to thrive in their specific environments. Today, we will explore what adaptations are, the different types of adaptations, and see real-world examples of how organisms use these special traits to survive and reproduce successfully. An adaptation is an inherited characteristic that helps an organism survive and reproduce in its environment. The key word here is inherited, meaning these traits are passed down from parents to offspring through their genes. Adaptations are not learned behaviors or temporary changes. They are permanent features that have developed over many generations. These characteristics give organisms advantages in their specific habitats, whether that means finding food more easily, avoiding predators, or dealing with extreme temperatures. Adaptations have three key characteristics that make them special. First, they are passed from parents to offspring through genes, which means they are part of an organism's deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. Second, adaptations develop over many generations through a process called natural selection, not within a single lifetime. This can take thousands or even millions of years. Third, and most importantly, adaptations increase an organism's chances of survival and reproduction. Organisms with beneficial adaptations are more likely to live long enough to have offspring and pass those helpful traits to the next generation. Scientists classify adaptations into three main types. Structural adaptations are physical body features, like the shape of a beak or the thickness of fur. Behavioral adaptations are actions and responses that organisms perform, such as migrating to warmer areas or hunting at night. Physiological adaptations are internal body processes that we cannot see from the outside, like how an animal digests food or produces venom. Each type of adaptation serves a specific purpose in helping organisms survive in their unique environments. Let us look at some examples of structural adaptations. Birds of prey, such as eagles and hawks, have sharp talons that help them catch and hold onto prey. Without these specialized claws, they would struggle to hunt successfully. Polar bears have thick fur that keeps them warm in Arctic temperatures that can drop to -50 degrees Celsius. This insulation is essential for their survival in one of Earth's harshest environments. Cacti have a waxy coating on their surface that reduces water loss in the desert, allowing them to survive months without rainfall. Each of these physical features gives the organism a survival advantage. Behavioral adaptations involve actions that organisms take to improve their chances of survival. Migration is a common behavioral adaptation where birds travel thousands of kilometers to warmer climates for food and breeding opportunities when winter approaches. Hibernation is another behavioral adaptation where animals like bears enter a deep sleep during cold winters, conserving energy when food is scarce. Chameleons demonstrate camouflage behavior by changing their skin color to blend with their surroundings, helping them hide from predators and sneak up on prey. These learned or instinctive behaviors are just as important as physical adaptations. Physiological adaptations are internal processes that occur inside an organism's body. Snakes produce venom through specialized glands, using these toxins to subdue prey and defend themselves from threats. This chemical adaptation is highly effective for hunting and protection. Camels store fat in their humps, which their bodies can convert into energy and water during long desert journeys where resources are unavailable. Bats have evolved echolocation, a biological sonar system that allows them to use sound waves to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. These internal adaptations are often invisible but incredibly powerful. Adaptations are the result of natural selection working over many generations. Natural selection is the process where organisms with traits better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. When an organism survives longer, it has more opportunities to produce offspring and pass its beneficial traits to the next generation. Over time, these helpful traits become more common in the population, while less beneficial traits may disappear. Understanding adaptations helps us appreciate the incredible diversity of life on Earth and how every organism is uniquely suited to its environment. This process continues today as species adapt to changing climates and habitats around the world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.